Are you tired of paying $5 a container for almond milk and oat milk? I know I am, I'm sure you are too, so we're gonna take matters into our own hands. I went on Amazon. Onerva makes this product that's called Nut It. You can make your own nut-based milks. So we're gonna unbox this thing, we're gonna make some milk and see if it holds up to the store-bought stuff.
Let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. Some instructions, these will probably come in handy. Cleaning brush, doubles as a toothbrush. That was a joke. We have the power cable. Strainer. Some measuring spoons. Can never have too many of these. And the device itself. There she is. Let's see what's inside. Take the top off. And of course inside is a blending device. That's what's going to chop up the milk. Has a cool lock to it. And this warning sticker, it says you must follow the warm reminder method the first time you use it. Let's see what that's about. Now you want to take the foam out of the box and flip it over so you don't miss this, which is our last piece. It is a nut storage container, 150 milliliter measuring cup. So we got this out of the box and we are ready. The first thing we have to do, as that little sticker said, is run it through the warm cycle. So we're gonna fill up the water here. Once you have the water filled up to the top line, we're gonna put the lid on. And you only have to do this once for your first time. We're gonna hold down the start button. And then we hit it again. While this thing's boiling, as you could hear, let's have a quick conversation about cost. Because if you have to buy the almonds and the oats and the cashews, are you really saving money? Why don't you just buy the milk? Well, hold on. This thing comes with a lot of recipes, and each one of them calls for about 1/3 of a cup of your favorite nuts. This is 1/3 of a cup of almonds. This right here, this is a bag of almonds from Costco. It's 3 pounds, which equates to just over 8 cups of almonds. That's a lot of almonds to go in here. At least 25 servings of the milk. So, no, you can't compare the cost. We're back. We boiled the water and now this thing's ready for use. I already filled up inside to the cold line because we're gonna make some cold almond milk. The instructions say to soak the almonds overnight. Now, I didn't do that, but I did soak them for a few hours. So let's dump it in and see how this thing works. All right, the almonds are in there. Let's get the lid on. Now for the magic. All right, when you have the double flashing light, you hit the start button. Then you hit the menu button. And room temp is lit up. That's what we're going for this one. And we hit start. So it looks like this thing is grinding the nuts now. Probably gonna heat them up, and we'll be back when it's done. Beep 3 times, time's up. Let's take off the lid and see what we have. That is frothy. Take a look at that. Just take a look at that. Let's strain it now. And the strain looks cool. Whoa. Well, at this point, you know there's only one thing left to do, and that's taste it. So let's pour a glass. Cheers. Pretty good. Tastes like almond milk. Now, of course, you could add sweeteners to this. You could add vanilla extract and a whole bunch of other things, honey, anything you want really. And remember, the store-bought oat milk and almond milk has tons of chemicals in it. This has almonds and water, and that's it. In conclusion, for me so far, this is a big hit. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make some oat milk and some other kinds of milk. I usually put oat milk in my shakes every morning, and in those shakes there's fruits, there's protein powders, and those all have their own taste anyway, so I think this is gonna work out perfectly for me and save me a lot of money. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like and follow for more videos like this. See you next time.